Game-changing results that are transforming industrial hiring. The manufacturing sector is facing unprecedented challenges in recruiting and retaining talent, leading to significant delays and productivity losses. Traditional hiring methods are proving insufficient against the backdrop of a rapidly evolving workforce landscape. This presentation dives into a revolutionary staffing strategy that forward-thinking manufacturing companies are already adopting to overcome these hurdles, dramatically accelerating their hiring process and securing vital talent with unparalleled efficiency. The global manufacturing sector is currently facing an unprecedented talent crisis, a challenge that threatens to impede growth and innovation. This isn't merely a shortage, it's a profound systemic issue impacting production lines, supply chains, and overall economic stability. Companies are struggling to find skilled workers, leading to critical delays and missed opportunities. As demand for manufactured goods continues to rise, the gap between available talent and required skills widens, creating a bottleneck that directly impacts output and profitability. This crisis manifests in several critical areas. Projected labor gap. Experts estimate that by 2033, the manufacturing sector will need approximately 3.8 million new workers to keep pace with industry demands and replace retiring personnel. Extended hiring cycles. The average time to fill a manufacturing role has stretched to an alarming 36 days, far exceeding benchmarks in other industries. This prolonged period means crucial positions remain vacant, costing companies valuable time and resources. Significant productivity losses. Labor shortages are directly linked to decreased productivity, as existing teams are stretched thin and production targets become harder to meet. This impacts everything from lead times to customer satisfaction. New workers needed. Deloitte and Manufacturing Institute forecast massive labor demand surge. Plants below capacity. Manufacturing facilities operating under capacity due to labor shortages in 2024. The scale of this challenge is unprecedented. Nearly 1 in 5 manufacturing plants cannot operate at full capacity, directly impacting production goals and revenue potential. Days average. SHRM reports hiring time in manufacturing. Candidates lost. Lose interest if employers delay beyond 2 weeks. Every day of delay in hiring costs manufacturers potential productivity and revenue. The window to secure top talent is narrowing rapidly. Idle machinery and insufficient staffing directly translate to significant losses in production, revenue, and competitive advantage. The manufacturing talent crisis isn't merely a hiring challenge, it's a critical threat to operational efficiency and long-term business viability. Beyond the sheer numbers, the manufacturing sector grapples with fundamental issues within its hiring processes. Traditional approaches, once effective, are now failing to connect with today's workforce, creating bottlenecks that hinder growth and exacerbate the talent shortage. This chapter will delve into these critical underlying problems, examining how a growing skills gap, changing candidate expectations, and persistent issues like high turnover and no-shows are disrupting staffing stability and preventing manufacturing companies from securing the talent they desperately need. 1.9 million unfilled jobs. Manufacturing positions at risk of remaining vacant by 2033 without strategic intervention. Digital skills demand. Rising need for simulation software, cloud computing, and advanced technical capabilities. Soft skills critical. Creative thinking, resilience, and adaptability now essential for modern manufacturing roles. Communication preferences. 70% of manufacturing job seekers prefer texting over traditional email or phone calls for initial contact. Diversity and inclusion. 44% reject offers due to lack of visible diversity initiatives or inclusive workplace culture. Work-life balance. Flexible scheduling and clear career advancement opportunities are non-negotiable deal breakers. Increased hiring time. Manufacturers experienced longer time to hire in 2024. Frequent new hire no-shows create devastating cycles of re-recruiting, re-screening, and retraining, draining resources and delaying production schedules. Discover how modern manufacturing companies are transforming their hiring with a powerful combination of flexible staffing models and cutting-edge technology. Immediate access. Staffing firms provide skilled temporary workers ready to start immediately, eliminating lengthy recruitment delays. Flexible coverage. Supplement full-time teams with temporary staff to handle call-outs, seasonal peaks, and unexpected demand. Worker preference. McKinsey reports 36% of workers now prefer flexible, contract-based employment arrangements. Compared to traditional communication methods, text and mobile platforms achieve dramatically higher open rates, ensuring your critical recruitment messages are seen and acted upon. For example, Hearth and Home boosted candidate response rates by 50% using intelligent texting platforms. Screening questions via text dramatically speed up qualification processes, reducing multiple interview rounds and accelerating time to hire. Platform expansion. 70% of recruiters actively use social media for job postings. TikTok usage doubled within 1 year. Talent pool growth. Expands reach to passive candidates and younger demographics previously untapped by traditional methods. In an increasingly data-driven world, recruitment is no exception. Modern manufacturing companies are moving beyond reactive hiring to leverage the power of real-time dashboards and predictive analytics. This chapter explores how these advanced tools provide unprecedented visibility into the hiring pipeline, enable precise forecasting of staffing needs, and utilize candidate fit analysis to significantly reduce turnover, ensuring a more stable and effective workforce. Live tracking. Monitor time to fill, source of hire, and offer acceptance rates in real time across all open positions. Instant pivots. Adjust hiring tactics immediately based on data insights to avoid losing top candidates to competitors. Data-driven insights transform reactive hiring into proactive talent acquisition, enabling manufacturers to stay ahead of workforce demands. Cultural assessment. Evaluate cultural fit and genuine enthusiasm alongside technical skills before making hiring decisions. Strategic pre-hire evaluation prevents costly turnover and ensures long-term employee satisfaction and productivity. Preventable turnover. Through better pre-hire evaluation processes. Theory is powerful, but tangible results are what truly drive change. In this final chapter, we move beyond strategy to showcase concrete examples of how manufacturing companies are leveraging the innovative staffing approaches discussed in this presentation. We will delve into specific case studies and successful models that demonstrate significant improvements in candidate engagement, hiring speed, and overall workforce stability. These real-world victories underline the effectiveness of adopting a modern, data-driven approach to talent acquisition in the manufacturing sector. Challenge identified. Traditional email outreach yielded poor response rates and extended hiring cycles. Solution implemented. Deployed intelligent texting platform for candidate communication and screening. Results achieved. Reduced time to hire by weeks, filled critical manufacturing roles faster than ever before. Immediate workforce access. Local skilled temporary workers available within hours, not weeks, cutting vacancy costs dramatically. Productivity boost. Flexible staffing eliminated hiring delays and no-show risks, maintaining consistent production levels. This innovative approach transforms workforce management from reactive crisis response to proactive capacity planning. Combine strategic elements. Integrate flexible staffing, intelligent texting, social media outreach, and data analytics into a unified approach. Accelerate results. Fill manufacturing roles 10x faster while reducing turnover and securing your workforce future. Act immediately. The manufacturing talent war waits for no one, competitive advantage goes to early adopters.